The bush viper looks like it was pulled straight from a fantasy novel. Those jagged, overlapping scales are not for show. They break up its outline perfectly among leaves. Its venom destroys red blood cells from the inside, and it almost never comes down from the trees. The corn snake has no venom whatsoever, but its orange and red pattern closely mimics the copperhead, one of North America's most dangerous snakes. Predators back away based on appearance alone. It survives entirely on a lie it was born wearing. The gold-ringed cat snake is a night hunter. Those vivid yellow bands are not camouflage. They are a warning. Even though its venom is mild, the bold pattern alone is enough to make most predators retreat. In nature, looking dangerous is sometimes just as powerful as being dangerous. The African bush viper does not chase prey. It finds a branch, wraps itself around it, and waits. Sometimes for 3 days without moving. When something warm passes close enough, it strikes faster than your eye can register. Patience is its deadliest weapon. This electric blue snake exists in only one place on Earth, a single small island in the Pacific. The blue Insularis is one of the rarest snakes alive. Its blue coloration has no confirmed scientific explanation. And despite its beauty, its venom is highly potent and fast-acting. Those modified scales above its eyes look like eyelashes, giving it one of the most distinctive faces in the snake world. But the real extraordinary feature is invisible. Pit organs on its face detect the body heat of prey in complete darkness, working exactly like an infrared camera. Every green tree python hatches either bright yellow or vivid red. The green comes later, developing gradually over the first year of life as the snake moves into the forest canopy. It drapes itself in a perfect saddle over branches and strikes downward, using gravity to add force to every attack. The Asian vine snake is built like a living twig. Its body is no thicker than a pencil, and when it freezes among hanging vines, it becomes completely invisible. Those unusual horizontal pupils give it a wide field of vision perfectly suited for hunting small lizards in dense jungle foliage. The green grass snake has no venom and no real physical defense, so it evolved something else entirely. When cornered, it can play dead so convincingly that even experienced handlers have been fooled. It goes completely limp, opens its mouth, and releases a smell that mimics a rotting carcass. If these animals amazed you, hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible wildlife facts every week. There are thousands of animals out there with abilities that will shock you. Don't miss them.